Did you know blueberries are packed with antioxidants and boost brain and heart health? In this video, I'll show you easy, homemade recipes you can make with blueberries to enjoy their full benefits. Let's get started. Blueberries are enhancing brain function in incredible ways. They are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are improving memory and cognitive skills. Research from sites like Healthline shows they are delaying age-related brain decline by protecting neurons from oxidative stress. This fruit is supporting better focus and mental clarity, especially for older adults. By consuming them regularly, the brain becomes sharper and more resilient. Experts say blueberries are doing wonders for learning capacity too, making them a go-to snack for students and professionals alike. It's becoming clear that this berry is a natural brain booster worth adding to your diet. Blueberries are serving as a powerhouse of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue hue. These compounds are fighting free radicals that damage cells, as noted by WebMD. This action is reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer or heart issues. The fruit is providing a protective shield against oxidative stress, keeping the body healthier for longer. By eating blueberries, you are boosting your system's defenses naturally. Studies are showing they outrank many fruits in antioxidant levels, making them a top choice for wellness enthusiasts. They're becoming a daily essential for anyone seeking vitality. Blueberries are contributing significantly to heart health with their rich nutrient profile. They are lowering bad cholesterol, LDL levels, thanks to fiber and antioxidants, according to the American Heart Association. This fruit is regulating blood pressure with potassium, reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. By doing so, it becomes a preventive tool against heart disease. Research is indicating that regular intake helps improve artery function too. Blueberries are making heart function more efficient, ensuring better circulation. Doctors are recommending them as a tasty way to keep your ticker strong, proving they're more than just a sweet treat. Blueberries are aiding digestion with their high fiber content, which is essential for a healthy gut. This fiber is preventing constipation by keeping bowel movements regular, as explained by Medical News Today. They are promoting good bacteria in the intestines, enhancing overall digestive health. By eating them, discomfort like bloating often goes away. Blueberries are supporting smoother digestion, making meals easier on your stomach. Nutritionists are praising their role in maintaining gut balance, especially when paired with a balanced diet. They're becoming a simple, natural fix for anyone wanting a happier digestive system. Blueberries are enhancing skin health with their abundance of vitamin C and antioxidants. They are fighting signs of aging, like wrinkles, by neutralizing free radicals, per sources like health.com. This fruit is keeping skin hydrated and elastic, reducing damage from sun or pollution. By consuming them, your complexion becomes brighter and more youthful. Blueberries are supporting collagen production too, which keeps skin firm. Dermatologists are noting their anti-inflammatory effects help with acne or redness. They're proving to be a delicious way to glow from the inside out, perfect for skincare lovers. Blueberries are assisting in weight management with their low-calorie, high-fiber makeup. They are providing a feeling of fullness, which helps curb overeating, as highlighted by eating well. This fruit is keeping hunger at bay without adding extra pounds, making it ideal for dieting. By including them, your metabolism becomes more efficient thanks to their nutrients. Blueberries are supporting fat-burning processes too, especially when paired with exercise. Dietitians are recommending them as a sweet, guilt-free snack. They're becoming a staple for anyone aiming to maintain or lose weight naturally. Blueberries are strengthening immunity with their impressive vitamin C content. They are helping the body fend off infections like colds, according to Mayo Clinic Insights. This fruit is supporting white blood cell production, which fights germs effectively. By eating them regularly, your immune system becomes more robust, especially during flu season. Blueberries are providing antioxidants that reduce inflammation too, keeping you healthier overall. Experts are touting them as a natural way to stay strong. They're proving to be a tasty ally for anyone wanting to avoid sick days. Blueberries are showing potential in reducing cancer risk with their antioxidant properties. They are containing compounds like anthocyanins that may stop cancer cell growth, per Cancer Research UK. This fruit is protecting cells from damage that could lead to tumors. By consuming them, your body becomes better equipped to fight oxidative stress linked to cancer. Studies are suggesting they're particularly helpful against breast and colon cancers. Nutritionists are praising their preventive power, though they're not a cure. They're becoming a smart addition to a cancer-conscious diet. Blueberries are benefiting eye health with their rich supply of vitamins and antioxidants. They are protecting the retina from damage caused by blue light or aging, as noted by Vision Center. This fruit is reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration over time. By eating them, your vision becomes clearer and stronger. Blueberries are supporting blood flow to the eyes too, keeping them healthy. Eye experts are loving their natural protective effects. They're proving to be a simple way to keep your peepers in top shape. Blueberries are combating inflammation with their anti-inflammatory compounds, like flavonoids. They are reducing swelling and pain in joints or muscles, according to Arthritis Foundation research. This fruit is helping ease discomfort after workouts or for chronic conditions like arthritis. By including them in your diet, inflammation goes down naturally. Blueberries are supporting overall wellness by calming the body's stress responses. Health pros are highlighting their role in fighting silent inflammation too. They're becoming a go-to for anyone seeking relief without popping pills. So, what can we make using blueberries? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Toss 1 cup fresh blueberries, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 cup spinach into a blender. Add 1 cup water and blend until smooth. Serve chilled. Drink 3 to 4 times a week for detox and energy boosts. Muddle 1/2 cup fresh blueberries and 5 mint leaves in a cup. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger and 1 cup hot water. Steep for 5 minutes, then stir in 1 teaspoon honey and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Sip warm. Use daily during cold season for immunity. Blend 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 tablespoon olive oil until smooth. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon chopped rosemary. Drizzle over salad. Use 2 to 3 times a week for heart health. Mix 1 cup fresh blueberries, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, and 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Let sit for 10 minutes, then serve. Enjoy 2 to 3 times a week for inflammation relief. Mix 1 cup Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Top with 1 cup blueberries, 1/4 cup diced apple, and 1 tablespoon chopped basil. Serve as breakfast or a snack. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.